Hi everybody, welcome to Knits Up. I'm Mindy, your hostess, otherwise known as Knitter CNY. I wanted to come on quickly and show you a couple projects I'm working on, a couple things I finished, and my Ollie's yarn haul. You can find me on YouTube. You can find me on Instagram and on Ravelry as Knitter CNY. You can find a Facebook group for Knits Up podcast, and you can find a group over on Ravelry. Instagram is probably the place I post the most. So if you have a question about anything, please go over there and post. The first thing that I finished were a couple of hats. One of them was Red Heart Heat Wave in blue skies. I did a simple pattern. I can't remember who the pattern was by. That's on my Ravelry thing, but it's a crocheted hat. Heat Wave is a heat generating yarn. When you put it in the sunlight, it gets 12 degrees warmer than the surrounding air temperature. The second hat that I made was out of Woolie's Roving Stripes, and it's a denim is the colorway. It's less stripy in real life. It's more subtle. The gray and the blue tend to go together. And this hat was one ball of that, and it does fit me. So it looks really, really big, but it actually fits. All right, next thing I finished is out of Woolie's Roving. So, sorry, not Woolie's, Mandala. Lion brand Mandala Roving. I do not remember the colorway. It's green. It's green, another shade of green, and gray. I'm trying to look to do this in the light. It's very difficult because the light's coming from the right-hand side and it's evening. This is a Bag O Day Crochet pattern that has puff stitches in it. And she has a really great video that's really easy to follow. The other thing that I'm working on is a blanket that is out of Lion Brand Summer Kiss that I got on closeout at Christmas tree shops for, it was originally $1.99 a ball and it was on closeout for $1 a ball. I got 12 different skeins. I am using them 2 at a time together. So this is my first section. It's kind of red and orangey, and then there's 2 shades of yellow there. You can kind of see that, not really. 2 shades of green together. Yeah, you kind of get the idea there. 2 shades of green. Then there's 2 shades of blue. There we go, 2 shades of blue. And now I'm working on a skein of light blue and lilac together. You can just barely see that. So these 2 colors together, those 2 colors. And I'm using a size M, like Mary, Prim crochet hook. These are ergonomic crochet hooks. They have a little bit of give. They've got grip. They're really comfortable to work with. They're now selling these at Michael's, but I bought my sets through Amazon, and I paid, I think, $16 for the smaller set and $20 for the bigger set. So I really like working with them because I tend to develop tendonitis or, trigger finger or something, and it is really nice having a set of crochet hooks I can just go to and they work. So you're really here for the yarn haul, I know. So Ollie's is a discount store, closeout store in my area. They have several different types of yarn on sale for $4.99 per ball. They had, when I went into the local store on Erie Boulevard in DeWitt/Syracuse, they had a big, huge display of it, all different colors, all different kinds of yarn. I know that one of them is Bernat Baby in at least 5 to 6 different colors, 7 different colors at least that I saw. Some of them are variegated, some of them are solid. I'm sure there's stuff that's been discontinued. That's what you got it on closeout. Then I saw Velvet Plus. I saw regular velvet. I saw Toasty. They're supposed to have Toasty. And then I saw, I'm trying to think. There was something else that was like a boucle type of a yarn, but I didn't really look too closely at that. What I got was exclusively Bernat baby blanket. I've got 2 skeins already that are in a purple hue. One of them is baby lilac and the other one's Easter egg, I think. So this one is called, pardon me, Violet Posy. And it's kind of, these are 10.5 ounces, 300 gram skeins, 220 yards, 201 meters. And it's 100% polyester. This normally retails, I believe right now at Joann's for $10.99 per skein. So $4.99 per skein is a big deal. That's more than half price. So I bought $62 worth of yarn, including tax. I bought 3 of this color. This color is Rosy Posy. And this is like an orangish, pinkish variegated color. And you kind of get the idea there of what this looks like. I'm going to stop twirling it. It's got pinks, oranges, and a darker orange, couple orange shades in a peachy color. 3 skeins of that. Then I got 5 skeins of this. 5 skeins, which is, the color is Dreamy Skies. So Dreamy Skies. And then I got 2 skeins of blue solid, which is called Starry Skies. That goes with this. So if I had a blanket of 5 skeins of this, I could make a border with 2 of these. That's the plan anyways. And you may say, why are you buying $62 worth of yarn? Well, when the yarn is more than half price and they're pretty colors that I like, that I'm going to use, and it's polyester, so it's not going to go bad if it's sitting in a box for a while, then I buy yarn. I've used up quite a bit of yarn, and I know I have talked about, oh, I'm going to use up my stash and all of that stuff. Well, that's a lie that we tell ourselves. That's a lie that we tell ourselves so that we can buy more yarn. This stuff will go fast. It will make a blanket very quickly. It will make beautiful blankets that are machine washable and dryable. That is important. They will make, I have crocheted with them. I like crocheting them better than knitting them. Just because of the nature of the yarn. I like it doesn't get heavy, but it gets warm. These probably will not be summer projects. I can tell you that now. There's a reason why I'm working on this blanket with these colors, because this is 80% cotton and 20% polyester. This is also a very big weave, basically. There's a lot of holes in this. Even if this gets heavy, it's ventilated. Baby blanket is a solid yarn. There's a beautiful Velvet Plus blanket by, I think it's Daisy Farm Crafts, that is really pretty. It's got like ribbing almost. It looks like knitted ribbing, but it's using post stitches, which I've never done post stitches, but she has a beautiful video that apparently tells you how to do it, and it looks really pretty. So I would say go over there and check it out. Please like this video. Please tell your friends about the video. Please subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe and I get to 100 subscribers, like I've said, my friend's daughter is my, quote, social media director, and she self-appointed herself when I asked for help with the channel and said, if I got to 100 subscribers, you'd give me $2, wouldn't you? She said. I said, uh-huh. And then you'd be a paid social media director. So make a little girl's dream come true. I'm kidding. If you like my stuff, if you like my sense of humor, if you like what you're seeing on this channel, then please do subscribe. Honestly, I get a kick out of, when people comment on stuff and I'm like, wow, somebody actually watches me. It's amazing to me, because you couldn't put 88 people in a room with me and have them have rapt attention. So I'm going to go back to watching the Field of Dreams game because the sun is setting on the TV and the Yankees are playing, and it's a beautiful August night, and I need to crochet and relax. So please do check out Ollie's. If you see yarn and you buy some yarn from Ollie's, please either go to the Facebook group or the Ravelry group if you're able to use that. I know some people are not able to use that because of sensory issues and site issues because of the changes that were made and just the general form of the whole changes. Please do post pictures. I'll try and put a thread up and a post up of, here's what I bought. Have you been to Ollie's and bought anything? Because I'd love to see pictures. And I hope that you guys have a great week. Go crochet, go knit, go weave, go spin. Just go forth and buy yarn if you want to. Or don't go forth and buy yarn. Have a great week, guys. I'll see you on the flip side. Bye.